Hello friends, welcome to our channel Plagfree Content. So today I'm going to discuss about how to write the research proposal. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before telling how to write a research proposal, I would like to know you what is research proposal. So basically, research proposal is a structured formal document that explains three key objectives of writing a research proposal. First objective is what we are planning to research. It means in which field or what topic we are selecting to start our research. Second, why it is worth researching. It indicates what is the importance of our research in this particular field. Third, it will explain how we are planning to investigate our research, which means what are the practical approaches we will use to analyze our research. Now let's move on to what is the purpose of research proposal. So basically, the purpose of the research proposal is to convince our supervisor that our research is suitable and manageable. Here suitable means that is our research is a requirement of our degree program which will benefit in our future. Second, the manageable. So manageable means that our research is manageable in given time and the constraints we will face. Now we will move on to today's actual agenda, that is how to write a research proposal. So we will see research proposal template. It includes various sections like title page, research title, introduction, literature review, research methodology, implication and contribution to knowledge, project plan and the references. Let's start with the title page. It will contain the project title, our name, our supervisor name and the program name which we are currently pursuing like BTech, MTech, MS, etc. Then our department name, that is engineering department, pharma department or the management department. Then institution name and lastly the submission date, on which date we are going to submit our research proposal. Now let's see how to write an ideal research proposal title. Firstly, keep in mind that research proposal title should not be too long or too short. Let's take an example. A study to investigate the impact of social media like Facebook, LinkedIn on the consumer behavior of buying apparel, gadgets, etc. in Delhi NCR. So do you guys think is there any need of writing social media like Facebook and LinkedIn? It is already understood, right, that social media means a social communication platform. So there is no need to write Facebook and LinkedIn. Similarly, there is no need to mention like apparel, gadgets, because it is about the social media impact on consumer buying behavior, and buying commodity can be anything, not only apparel, gadgets, like it is generalized. So no need to mention these things. Secondly, it shouldn't be too short, like consumer buying behavior. As we can see, there is no starting and ending body, so it is of no use. So the research proposal title should describe the proper meaning like impact of social media on consuming buying behavior in Delhi NCR. That's it. It is clear and crisp. So this is all about research proposal title. Now next I will tell you the introduction section of the research proposal. Firstly, it will contain background and context. It will help the reader to familiarize with our research topic. Second, it will contain the problem statement which will explain the actual or dedicated problem we are going to address in this research paper. Third, the research question. It will specify the series of a question which we are going to answer through the research paper. Last but not least, we will also describe the importance of research in this particular field. Let's move to the literature review section. Basically, it is used to summarize the investigation done by the researchers on the previously published articles on a similar topic. We will also mention some point of conflicts among the researchers on a same topic. Lastly, we will also describe what is missing in previously published papers and how our research paper will gonna fill that gaps. Now let us understand the research methodology section. It will contain 3 points. research design, methods and sources, and practical considerations. In the research design section, we will explain the design of the research. That is, we will use the qualitative research or quantitative analysis of our research. Secondly, methods and sources. It describes the tools, that is what kind of tools we will use to analyze our data that we have collected. Thirdly, it describes the practical consideration. In this section, we will address any obstacles or the limitations we have faced during our research. Next, move on to the implication and the contribution. We will describe two types of implication, that is practical implication and second one is theoretical implication. In practical implications, we will describe whether our research paper helps any organization to make changes in the policy or decision based on the research paper. Second, in theoretical implication, we will describe whether our research paper will become a basis for the further research in the same field or not. Next is project plan. In this section, we will describe what are the major steps and stages in our research. For example, Gantt chart. With the help of it, we can explain the complete timeline of our research paper. Lastly, I would like to know you about references and the length. So the references depend upon the university guidelines. It can be in APA, MLA, Harvard, etc. Next, coming to the length, it also varies depending upon the university guidelines and the field of study. But still, I am giving you a rough guidance, that is a formal research proposal meant for the master level ranges in between 2000 to 3000 words, while a PhD level proposal can be ranging from 5000 to 8000 words. This is all about today. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.